So my husband find out them children is not his. First thing come to this ungrateful man mouth is that he want a divorce. He want a divorce after 20 years of marriage. 20 years of me putting up with him, he want a divorce. Why? The children is not his. And he want to fight the man that the children belongs to, and whoever not more, so he demanding to know who is the father. Me don't know who tell him that them 3 children that got the same father. He get help because that sperm that his mother gave to he wasn't working. I try it. I try it in different farm. I try it. I do different things. I turn over. I bend backward. I try it. Them sperms that can't produce not even egg. So I had to get help from different people. Me myself don't even know who the children's father is. So what he want me to go show him this faithful day. As to divorce, I divorced that man. From the time them sperms are not working, from the time the sex wasn't good, from the time he mouth full of water, I said no, I divorce him. But I want to keep the title of mistress. So yes, I keep him.